Yes.
Good. Very good, Mokshita.
Yeti.
Good. Well done.
Yeti.
No.
M.
Am.
M.
Am. Good.
A-M-N.
An. Good.
I-N-in.
Good.
I-F-E.
Good. Super, Ma Mokshita.
I-N is.
Is. Good.
I-T it.
Good.
T-H-I-D.
Very good. No.
H-A-E.
H-E. He. Good.
D.
S-H-E.
Yes. H-E. He.
She. Good. Very good, Ma Mokshita. Well done. Very good. Good girl. Next. Yeah, welcome, Ma. Next is Nimalan.
Yes, ma'am.
Nimalan. Come on.
படி அத படி.
Good. Good. Well done. Super, Ma.
ஏய் அது ஐயா
Acho.
என்னன்னு பாரு. என்னன்னு பாரு.
An. Okay, very good. Nimalan, no playing.
Yes.
Is it I am?
Ma'am, next he told AM, ma'am.
Okay, am. Okay, fine.
ம்
Say clearly, Ma Nimalan, okay?
சொல்லு.
Eti? Atita. What you are learning? Eti?
At.
At. A what a sound. What is sound of A, Ma? At. At. Okay?
At. சொல்லு.
Very good. As. Own. Very good. Well done.
The.
The. Okay, it is not the. Okay? He. He. Where will use he? For whom will use he? Boy or girl?
Hey, he boy
Girl
or
ka.
girl?
For boys only we use he. Okay? And next,
அதெல்லாம்
SHE.
படி. சொல்லு. Hey,
Yes,
SHE.
HE. It is not clear,
SHE என்னது? SHE என்ன? S க்கு என்ன
SHE.
சவுண்ட்? S க்கு என்ன சவுண்ட்?
She. She. Okay, S-H-E. She. Okay. Very good, Nimalan. Thank you so much. But he, she, you have to be very clear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. He
Next
is
is
getting confused between the, he, and she, ma'am.
okay. The main problem is everything you cannot blend it with the phonic sound. Few
Mm.
words you have to say as it is. For example,
Okay.
he, you cannot blend it like her, ha. We cannot say like that. H is
Okay.
he. It
Okay,
depends
ma'am.
upon the phonic sound, okay? And the
Okay.
silent sound. So, whatever words they are seeing, they have to get it in their mind and read.
Okay,
Blending is
ma'am.
also important, but all the words they cannot blend.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
you have to
Okay.
teach them, okay? Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next is
Thank you, ma'am, so
Adya,
much.
fine. Adya Sharma. Good morning, Adya. Good morning, Sara. Good morning, Madhuvanti. Good morning, Riyasri. And then who else?
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Nakshatra. A very good morning, children. Adya Sharma, will you read the words? Yeah, good morning, Ma Pranavi. Read the words, Adya. OF. What is OF?
He said off.
Off. Louder, Madhya. Mom is not able to hear. Zor se.
Okay. Okay. AM नहीं बेटा ON.
ON.
हाँ. On.
On. I think she's turning. No, that's what I'm not able to hear. I think this one.
ये बता दो. ये बता दो तुम. हाँ. हाँ.
Yes.
As she said.
As. Very good. 80.
हाँ.
Hmm. 80.
हाँ. At she said.
Okay. AM. Yeah, mute yourself, Madhuvanti. AM.
AM. दोबारा बता दो. हाँ.
Am.
What she said.
Okay. Okay, fine. AN.
पानी
AN.
AN. हाँ. हाँ. Okay. Good.
Anna. Okay. Mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Hey, wow. Very good, Adya.
Good.
Very good. Madhuvanti, I request you to mute yourself, Madhuvanti.
Yes. हाँ. हाँ.
Is very good. Yeah, I can hear now.
हाँ. At नहीं बेटा it.
It. I. Phonic sound of I is E. Eat. It. Okay. Next. This word.
ये बताओ. ये बताओ आधा इधर इधर देखो.
Adya Sharma.
उधर.
Adya. THE. 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 The.
The बेटा.
The. Okay.
The.
Next is HE. HE. HE.
Hmm.
He.
He.
He is a boy. He is playing. He is singing. Okay, he. And then SHE. She. SHE is she. Okay, Adya. Thank you so much, Adya. Okay, next is Kadambari. Good morning, Kadambari. Kadambari. Kadambari is not there, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Kadambari. Little bit louder, Kadambari.
Yes, ma'am.
Your video is enabled, ah?
Enabled, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What name you have logged in?
Hi, Raghav.
Hi, ma'am.
What name you have logged in, ma?
Name. Oh, ఏం పేరు నన్ను
Is it the name Dhanaraj Kumar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. One minute. Yeah, good morning, Kadambari.
Yes, I see it.
Yeah, well done, well done. It.
I yes is
Is very good.
I is
Good. IF is good.
I am in.
Good, well done. And very good. Good. Good, well done. As very good, Kadambari. On. Good. Good. Off. Don't get confused, ma. Slowly you. The. Very good. S-H-E, she. Okay? H-E only is he. Okay? He, H-E, he. Thank you, ma. Kadambari, very good. Next is Sarah. Sarah. Sarah, can you say yes, ma? Yes, let me pin you 1 minute. Ma. Come on, Sarah. Don't play. Come on. OF.
Please answer.
OF.
என்ன சொல்லுது?
Off. Off. You don't know, you have to say, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. On. Very good. Super. AT. At. Okay. Next. Next. AM. Well done. Next. AN. Don't know? AN. An. IN. IN.
சொல்லு அங்க சொல்லு.
In. Very good. Next. If, very good. You'll say only to your daddy, not for Venla mama. Ah,
அது என்ன சொல்லு?
yes. Good, very good girl, Sara. Super. Next. Not yet over. Come on.
Happy.
No. T-H-E, the. The. H-E.
Buddy.
What is H-E? E. Good girl. S-H-E. She. She. Okay. Very good, Sara. Thank you so much. Okay, next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
Yes, ma'am.
One minute. Come on. IT. What? All these leave days you were playing, not at all learning, IT, it. ஏன் படிக்கல? Should learn, no? IT, it. Eat, eat, it. Okay? Next word. Asa. What word is this? I-S. Is. Is. Okay, all these 10 words are given in your notebook. It has been written in your notebook. Learn it, Madhuvanti. Don't waste time, okay? I-F. I-F. Okay, Madhuvanti, mute yourself. Next, Ilango.
Good morning.
Ilango.
Good morning, ma'am.
Satyama.
Yeah, good morning, Ilango.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Ilango. Come on, read these words. I-F. Very good, my Ilango. If. Mute yourself, Madhuvanti, please, Madhuvanti. I-N. Huh?
E sound start
Madhuvanti, mute yourself. First, you didn't mute. I can hear what you are speaking. No. Is Uma ma'am, can you please mute Madhuvanti? Okay. I-N.
Very
In. Very good. Louder, ma.
louder.
A-N. An. No. A-M.
And the next.
A-M. Am. Very good, Ilango. Next. A-T. At. Very good, ma. A-S. Super, Ilango. O-N. Very good. O-F. Super, Ilango. Okay, next is I-S. Yes, very good. I-T. It. Well done. Yeah, I heard. T-H-E.
T-H-E.
Wow, good. Good boy. H-E.
H-E.
E. Very good, Nakshatra. I am seeing you answering for all the words. Very good, Nakshatra. He.
H-E.
Next, S-H-E.
S-H-E. So, correct. Very good.
She. Very good, Ilango. You didn't waste your holidays. You learned very well. Very good. Well done. Good boy. Okay, next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Yeah, I have seen you answering for all the words, but even though one time. Okay, IT. Very good. IS. Super ma. Next OF. Off. Is anyone teaching her? ON. Hmm. ON. 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 AS. No. As. A oda sound. What is the sound of A? As. Okay. AT. Hmm. At. At. AM. Am. No, im. Im means you'll have I here. Here you don't have I. A dana irukku. So what is the phonic sound of A? Am. Okay. Next is AN. 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 Okay, very good. Thank you so much, ma. Next one. Riya Sri. Yes, Riya Sri. Huh? Off. It's good. It's very good. IN in. Okay. Higher. If. Very good. Okay, next. N. Good. AM. Am. 80. Sorry. 80. At. Okay, good. AS. As. Good. ON. On. Very good. HE. E. Okay. SHE. 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 And then THE is the. Okay. Thank you so much, children. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. It's already time up. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Yes, Srinija, Kidzi Anthem. Kidzi Anthem.
You're with me, your answer right, you're in it, my potential inside. You're in it,
You're the wings.
winning my flight, you're
Sorry, sir.
You define me.
my potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge with all my mind, I shall achieve my potential inside.
Very good. Well done. Okay, children. Good morning, everyone. Yes, ready for your warm-up activity? Stand up, all of you. Stand up, all of you. Mute yourself. Yes, come on. Get ready for the warm-up activity. Come on. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Very good, children. Very good. Now all of you go drink one glass of water and come back.
ईशा बोलो आद्या.
Adya.
ईशा बोल.
Adya.
बोलो.
Adya. Okay, marking you, Adya. Next, Ilango. Ilango. Others, please mute yourself. Ilango.
Hirayan, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Madhuvanti, mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Yes, very good, Nakshatra. Nitish.
Ma'am. Okay.
Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Riyasri. Yes, very good, Riyasri. Sara. Sara. Very good, Sara. Pranavi. Pranavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Pranavi. Yes, very good, Pravina. Yes, Srinija.
Hirayan, Melina, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Tilakar.
Mama, mute.
Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari.
Yeah, ma'am.
Kadambari. Very good, Kadambari. Shravanya. Shravanya is absent. Mokshita. Mokshita.
Hirayan, Melina, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Next is the rhyme session. Okay, so first rhyme is under the web. Okay, under the web, beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay, next is over. Okay, over has my little dog gone. Where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Where can he be? And next time is Incy Wincy Spider, okay? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. The incy wincy spider went up the spout again. Okay, thank you, children. Okay, next we'll go to our concept, children. So far, what concept we have learned? I don't know whose audio is echoing. Can you please mute yourself? So far, what concept we have learned? What are the animals did we learn, children? First we learned farm animals. Okay, farm animals. Then we learned wild animals. Yeah, marine animals. Yes, ma, marine animals. And then we learned about amphibian. Which is an amphibian? Which is an amphibian, children? Which is an amphibian? Frog is an amphibian. Yes, very good. Next we learnt about reptiles and finally we learnt about extinct animals. Okay. So today we are going to see a small recap of amphibian, reptiles and extinct animals. So first amphibian is frog. And then the life cycle of the frog is first eggs. Sarah, can you please mute yourself? Eggs. First stage is the eggs. Next, tadpole. And number 3, froglet. And the fourth stage is Adult frog. Okay, in the froglet you can see the tail, but in the adult frog you cannot see the tail. Okay, Sarah, mute yourself, Masara.
Oh, where has my little
Okay,
dog gone?
Srinija, mute yourself. Okay, so next we are going to see about the reptiles and extinct animals. Okay, so reptiles, what are all the reptiles? What are all the reptiles, children? Reptiles are animals which crawl on the ground. They have very small legs. Okay, so first reptile is crocodile. Next, what reptile is this?
Turtle.
Tortoise. Very good. Next, what reptile is this? Lizard. Very good. What reptile is this? Snake. Very good. What reptile is this? Chameleon. Okay, what is the special feature of a chameleon? What is this? Huh?
Color environment.
Yeah, it can change its color according to the environment. Okay, so this is chameleon. And next we are going to see the extinct animals. What are the extinct animals? Extinct animal means they do not exist. Okay, now they do not exist. They lived long ago, but now they do not exist. That is extinct animals. So first extinct animal is, what is the first extinct animal? Dinosaurs. Yes, dinosaurs. Next. Next. Mammoth. Very good. Mammoth. Good. Mammoth looks like an elephant. Okay. And then it has a big tusk and it has hair all over its body. You can see, and it is also very big than elephant. Okay. So this is mammoth. And next is, what is this? Dodo, very good. Dodo. Dodo is a flightless bird. It is a very big bird and a heavy bird, so that only it is not able to fly. So these are the extinct animals. Okay. Okay, now all of you take your worksheet. Take your worksheet, children, and the worksheet number is D74 empty.
Ma'am,
D74
today
empty.
Sarah don't have worksheet today.
No problem. Let her write in a slate or
Yeah.
rough notebook if she is having. Just kindly mute yourself. D74 empty, children. Write today's date. Today's date is 20-10-2121. And the number you are going to write is 53 and 54. 53, 53, 54, 54. Before writing, you have to count the objects, children. Okay, first you have group of tens here. Count the group of tens and the single ones. Okay, so group of tens, how will you count? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, you will get 51. 52, 53. Okay, then you have number 54. How will you count 54? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, what do you get? 51, 52, 53 and 54. 5, 4, 54. Take a worksheet and write. Nimalan also is not having his worksheet. 5, 3, 53, 5, 4, 54.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, have we completed D73 empty, ma'am?
Yeah, 51 and 52 is completed.
No, ma'am.
No,
Not
ma'am.
completed.
No, ma'am. We didn't finish, ma'am.
Yes, 12th only we finished, no? That worksheet. 51 and 52.
No, ma'am. We didn't complete it.
You didn't finish. No one has finished.
No one finished.
Okay, then take this worksheet. D73 empty. 51 and 52. The same way group of tens and ones, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, 51. And here also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51 and 52. Come on, do it. Five, 1, 51. Spell and write, children. 5, 1, 51. Workbook number 2 is going to get over. So by next week, we'll be using workbook number 3. So please be ready with that, parents. Those who have finished can continue with the worksheet number D74 empty, that is number 53 and 54. First you count it and then you write, children. Don't simply write only the number. You should know how to count the objects also. First finish counting the tens and then the ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then the ones. 51 or 52. Kadambari. Where is your worksheet, Kadambari? D73 empty, number 51 and 52.
Which is the next one?
D74 empty, number 53 and 54.
I see.
Very good, Mokshita. Yes, Pranavi and Pravina, do your worksheet.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished.
Finish, ma'am.
So fast.
Yes, ma'am.
What number did you write? 53 and 54 also finished.
Yes, ma'am. 51 and 52 and 53 and 54.
Okay, fine. What about the homework? Pranavi and Pravina's homework?
Yes, ma'am. I will submit.
Yes, recently I am not getting any homework from Pranavi and Pravina.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Homework is alphabet, small letters, 2 times they have to write in English notebook, and numbers from 1 to 50, one time in math notebook. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am. In my school, they was keeping an Olympic exam so that I cannot concentrate in their studies.
Oh, fine. Finish, children. Nitish, finish, ma?
Finish.
Very good, Nitish. Good boy.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Finished, everyone. Who is still doing your math worksheet? Tilakar.
54, ma'am.
Sorry? Nimalan finished. Very good, Nimalan.
Aju good girl.
Adya done.
Adya, good girl. Adya finished. Very good girl. Very, very good girl.
Ruben is still writing 154.
Yeah. Let him write. No problem.
Yes.
Who all have finished? Pranavi, Pravina, Mokshita, and then Nitish, Srinija. Then who else finished? Okay, for all of them, that is going to clap hands for you. Very good, Mokshita. Mokshita, busybody, look here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Mokshita, Adya Sharma. Adya, look here. That dekho, Adya. Very good, Adya. See here, rat is clapping hands for you. Hey, wow, very good. Nitish also, very good, Nitish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. And then who else finished? Riyasri, very good. Very good. Yes, very good, Nimalan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Finish.
Very good, Kadambari. Very good. Next to finish, Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Yes, very good. Super, very good. What, ma? Okay, next who finish? Ilango, Ilango. Very good, Ilango.
Thank you, Silva.
Yeah. Yeah, fine. Very good. All of you have finished your worksheet. Okay, next worksheet is D75 LT. D75 LT. Y and Z. First, you have to trace Y and Z, children, and then you are going to circle the related picture. Y for yak, Z for zebra. Again, Y for yo-yo and Z for zip. First circle and then you color, children. Okay, first circle it and then you can color. D75 LT.
Next. Ma'am, next we have to color it.
Yeah, first circle it. First you trace the letter, then you circle the correct picture, and then finally you have to color. Zebra you need not color because it is already white and black in color. You need not color. But yak, yo-yo and zip you can color. Fine.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Ma'am Mokshita. Did you finish coloring, Mokshita?
I'm practicing.
No, ma'am, only circle.
You color, ma. You can color.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Very good, Kadambari. Well done. Yes? You need star? Shall I give you tomorrow? Right now I don't have star. It's in the school. Tomorrow I'll bring and give you. Okay?
Okay.
Very good, Sarah. Zeta. Sarah, write the whole small letters A to Z. So tomorrow we'll be having an activity, parents. For that I need any dress or bag or whatever it is, but it should contain a zip in it. So tomorrow's activity is zipping and unzipping activity. For that, we'll be needing any dress. If you are having zip in your dress, in your handbag, or in your school bag also you can use. Ana adula zip irukanum. So like that, you be ready with that material tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Yes, very good. Yeah, good, ma. Finished, everyone? Yes, very good, children. Finish. Everyone who is still doing. It's very good, Riyasri. Yes, children, stop doing your worksheet, children. Finish? Okay, next we'll be learning blending sounds. So far we have learned blending sounds using 2-letter words. Yes? Now we are going to learn how to blend 3-letter words. Okay, so the word will contain 3 letters. That letter words we are going to see how to blend it. Okay, so today we are going to see at words. Okay, at is at. So what are all the words now I am going to write? It ends with the sound at and mudiyum. So that is at words. Okay, so first is B A T. How will you read this word, children? Anyone knows? How will you read this? First, B. And then AT is at. B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. AT is at. You know already. AT na என்னது atன்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். So, B at bat. B at bat. Next is, see here again. AT na என்னது you know. Okay. See now, what is the phonic sound of C? K. We are clicking castanets. K, k, k. So, k at. What is it is at? K at cat. K at cat. Next. H, A, T. What is the phonic sound of H? Ha, ha, ha. A-T, at. Her at hat. Her at hat. Next one. What is the phonic sound of F? F ஓட phonic sound என்னது? At. It is at. So for at, fat. Fat means gunda irukku. Fat. Okay. So how will you read this word? B at bat. K at cat. H at hat. At fat. Another word also will write. So how will you read this word? Ill. What is the phonic sound of R? Ill. See my dog ripped the rag. Ill. Ill. It is at. You already know. Ill at rat. Okay, so one more time I'm going to tell you how to read these words. B, initial sound you have to find out. And this AT you already know. AT na at nu உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். So at. B at bat. K at cat. H at hat. F at fat. L at rat. Rat, you know, this is rat. Rat. Okay. So like this only we should read. Tomorrow we'll be writing all these words also. Okay, children. So far, thank you so much for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yes, bye.